Hey you guys, it is your girl Sanaya Diamonds here, and I'm back again with another video. Today I have an unboxing slash items I got from a company called FYTOO. This is a glasses company. They have sunglasses, they have regular glasses. You can also get prescription glasses or non-prescription glasses. So let's get into it. So this is a box came in. Now I was meaning to do this video like a month ago or so, but there was issues with delivery and stuff like that, so I finally got the package. So yeah, make sure before I get started with this video, make sure you guys go ahead and check out my recent videos. They'll be up in the eye towards the end video. So yeah, so this is how everything comes packaged. This, let me check out what this is. You get a ruler as well, like an eye ruler thing. Get this keychain. Oh, this is to clean your glasses. So they basically just told me to select 5 different glasses. I went with the ones that are like non-prescription because I don't know my prescription. I usually wear prescription glasses, but yeah, either way I can get them, like get prescription in them if I ever want to like wear it outside and stuff. So I do have a discount code for you guys. It is Sanaya15 that you can use. I will leave it in the description box, and I will put it on the screen for you guys along with the website. So yeah, let's get into the first glasses. I love the case, by the way. Packaging really nice. Okay, and I'm gonna also put the picture on the side of the glasses. So this is the first one. Very nice packaging. Details. Let's try it on. Oh, okay. I kind of like this. Oh, okay. This is cute. Alright. And the lens don't hurt my eyes. Like, usually when I'm wearing glasses like this, from like, let's say if I get in a store or whatever like that, it hurts my eyes. This doesn't hurt my eyes at all. So this is a plus right here for sure. Okay, definitely love that one. Okay, the next one is these. It's green and red. Ooh, this is nice. It's giving me teacher glasses vibes a little bit. This is nice though. Really nice. Okay. Let me know. And let me know down in the comments what is your favorite glasses on me. All that good stuff. Okay, next one. Oh, and they each come with their own thingy, by the way. These are more on the thinner side. Very nice. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I like this. This is so cute. Okay. I like it. It's giving. Alright. The next ones, you have these. They have like a green in the back, and they have like pink, black. Could go to detailing. Let me see. Okay. Okay, FYTOO. Like, these look real nice, real nice. Like I said, you can pick prescription or non-prescription. If you don't know your prescription, that's okay. Just pick a non-prescription option. And just, use my code. Like, tell me these are not cute. Like, these are so cute. I like these. Usually I'm very picky with glasses, but they do give you the option to like put your picture on the site to see how the glasses will look on you. So yeah. And these are the last ones. It's like this blue. So cute. Ooh. These are a bit big for my face. What do you think? I think it's really nice. I think it's cute. But my favorite, definitely these. I love this one. Yeah, these two are my favorite. I really like how these look. Yeah. Definitely go check them out, you guys. It's definitely worth it, my opinion. And like I said, if you do not know your prescription, get a non-prescription and just go to your doctor or whatever, and they could just put a prescription in them for you. Or you could just wear it as a fashion glasses, which a lot of people wear these as fashion glasses, which I think is pretty cute. So yeah, let me know which ones you guys like, which ones you guys going to buy. These are honestly really nice, really nice. Yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the bell notification if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.